picture.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. He didn't eat all his friends.
Well, he gets a lot, so he might not have wanted all of it.
Must have just left a little bite. Oh my goodness.
Did he drink his milk?
Yeah.
Oh, he was thirsty.
Yeah, but I want to come again.
You want him to come again?
What did he leave for you? Look at...
Go look. Seriously.
I want to give a present to you, Mommy.
Oh, there's stuff in your stocking.
Daddy, Daddy. Daddy, Daddy. Honey, honey.
Is that so exciting?
Which one's Logan's stocking?
Yeah, which one says Logan?
What?
Do you want to sit? Oh.
Let me see Belle's.
Yeah, Belly, look, you got one for you too.
Hi, honey.
This is for
See Daddy? Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
This one's for you.
This one says Brandon. Oh, look at the stocking. Look for your L. Where's your L? That says Daddy and Mommy. One of these is yours. Look for your Logan. This one is, look over here. Which one says Logan? Look at the name. That's right. And here's Baby Belle's.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, there's exciting stuff in there.